Hey there! Welcome back to Kids Gardening with Liz. I'm Liz and I'm here at the Arroyo High School Farm Lab, and I'm really excited to wish everyone a happy back to school. So as we gear up and get ready for the fall semester and we start thinking about all the work that we have to do, I'd like to remind you of some easy little tricks and tips you can use to help yourself focus and reduce your overall anxiety. So something we don't think about in our day-to-day lives is that your background noise or your ambient noise really affects your ability to focus. So even if you're sitting in your room and you're working on your homework and in the background you're hearing like cars honking, leaf blowers blowing, sirens of ambulance and fire trucks going by, all of that noise is distracting you just enough time for your brain to figure out whether or not you're in danger. So your brain is always trying to process whether you're in a safe environment or not, which of course is your flight or fight reaction. So while that is very important for your survival in the wilderness, it doesn't really serve you when you're trying to focus in your room on your homework. So something that I like to do is play birds singing in the background while I work or study. What this does is the birds singing signals to your brain that everything is safe and that you don't have to worry, because in nature, when there's birds, that generally means that there's no predators, because birds are very perceptive to things like that. So by listening to birdsong, you can sort of trick your brain into thinking that it's safe so that you can really focus on the thing that's in front of you, and no part of your brain processing power is going to, oh, do I have to get up and run away real quick or fight something? So keep that in mind moving forward. It doesn't have to be birdsong. It could be a stream burbling. It could be some really chill music that you like. Something that will be in the background that'll help your brain stay centered. And then you can really only focus on one thing for about 20 or 30 minutes at a time before you need to give yourself a break. So remember to take lots of breaks, stretch, drink tons of water, and try and take walks outside when you have time. I hope all of this helps, and for more tips about how to stay sane during this school year, please subscribe to our YouTube channel or hit us up on our website at ecourbangardens.org. Thank you so much for your time today, and I hope you enjoy the rest of your week. Bye.